just listening to Morbid. I just got my big Misguided package that I've been waiting for literally like a month. I feel like it got like lost in hi mama, gotta get her dressed. It just got lost in the mail. I have my cute Gucci shirt on. I will link it below if you are interested. It's from Etsy. It's super cheap. We are gonna run out and do some errands. I just gotta hit up like TJ Maxx. I gotta get a couple gift cards and get a coffee, and then I'm gonna have to get the boys from school already. I did my makeup. I did a reel. I don't know, I just took my time this morning because I'm exhausted, and Olivia's been getting up yesterday and then the day before she got up at 2:30, and then this morning she got up at 5:30, and I just find it very rude. So I'm tired and got some more wrapping to do, but I just like am tired. Our house is getting cleaned tomorrow. I am so excited. So I don't know, I have to find stuff to do. So I guess tomorrow too, if I like forget anything, but tomorrow's Saturday and everyone's gonna be out and about, and I like don't want everyone, you know, coronavirus. Literally, excuse me, in these sunglasses, do we die? I'm obsessed. I hope that you don't mind this, like, placement is probably obnoxious, but when I don't have I forgot my camera, so I can't be hands-free with my phone without putting it here, so hello, like, let's not sideswipe me today. So I just got my Friday treat, my salted caramel, cold foam, cold boom, brah, brah. This parking lot is always such a shit show. Let's see where I'm gonna find a parking spot today. Yeah, I'm gonna take that person's spot. Yes, honey, nice work. We're running into TJ Maxx real quick, and we'll see what we can find, and hopefully my baby is well behaved because she's starting to turn into a screamer. This coffee, like, I just got so much stuff for under $200. Like, my back trunk is filled. So I'm gonna quickly go home. I have to hide some of the stuff that I got, and then I'm gonna see if I can quickly wrap some things, but it's already flipping 2:15. I have to get Ben at 3, so but we made out really good. Being a little treat. Who's on the phone? Whoopsie, oh my gosh. Hot potato, hot potato.
Mom, can we have more?
Yes.
When I'm done.
Yes, Sissy.
Oh, Sissy, no. Naughty Sissy.
Mom, make the popcorn.
Right here.
Oh my god.
One for you.
No.
One for you, my little cookie monster.
Thank you.
Do you like my hat? Oh, whoa, whoa. Are we getting a little drunky at this moment? Do you like my hat, dear? Do you like my hat, dear?
Eat this.
Everybody has to be on top of me. Literally on top of me. Good morning. Happy day what's today? Day 19 of Vlogmas. I'm checking the date because I'm confused. I can't believe we're in the middle to the end of December. This is wild. 2020 is coming to an end, and I couldn't be more hopeful for the future. I mean, I think for all of us, it's been quite a year that will go down in history for our kids, our grandkids, our great-grandkids. It's just like, I remember in the beginning, it felt like everything, I literally felt like I was in some kind of like sci-fi thriller movie. Like when our governor got on the news, I just like will never forget it. It's like one of those, for me, it's like I literally remember like where I was sitting, where I was just like in 9/11 or like the Boston Marathon bombings. Like I remember exactly where I was. Anyways, but it's been a year. I don't need to, we all get it, but I just feel like on top of 2020, just the situation of the world, but like there has been so much that has happened in my, just like around me and my friends and my family, like just so much has happened. It's just been like a horrible year. Like even if there was no pandemic, no nothing, like it still would have been a horrible year. That's what I'm saying, you know? So it's like not cute. It is snowing cats and frogs outside, and our house is getting cleaned right now. I cannot freaking wait. Like, oh my gosh. Thank God. It's 10 o'clock and she was pulling in, like she literally had to reverse out of my driveway as I was pulling out. So that's good news. That's something good for today. Mike and the boys went to get their haircuts, and I don't know, I'm gonna do a couple of errands. I need to run to the grocery store at some point. The snow's like really starting to come down. Go home because it's been over 3 hours and she's still there cleaning. So I'm actually super annoyed because I put 2 of our Christmas cards in our mailbox, and like I can't tell you how many times I've put things in our mailbox with the flag up and our postal people just haven't taken them, and it's just like super frustrating. And I get it, they're busy. I totally understand, like it is what it is, but it's just happened like multiple times and it's super frustrating. So since the lady's still oh my God, I can't speak. Still cleaning our house, I'm gonna just go to our post office. It's right down the street, and just throw them in the thing because it's Saturday. And by the time they send these out, it's gonna be past Christmas. So that's what we're doing. The boys are still out. I have to pee so flipping bad, and that's kind of why I was like rushing home, but it's fine. And Olivia's hungry for some lunch. So hopefully she's not too much longer. I mean, my house wasn't that much of a mess. Like I clean it, but it has been a while since she's been there, so I don't really know. So that is what's up.